Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can VPN the Reddit. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you just need to go to the source bar of your PC and just search for the Microsoft Store and open the Microsoft Store. And if you are using mobile phone or mobile devices, then you can open the App Store or Play Store depending on which you are using. It can either be Android or an iPhone. So even in PC, if you are using an Apple device, then you can just go to the App Store. Now you just need to go to the source bar that is on the top and search for a VPN, and the source result will be shown, and you just have to choose a VPN that you think is good, and you can just download it and you can turn on your VPN, and that will affect the Reddit as well. Which VPN you are connected, your Reddit will be of the same region, and this is how you can VPN the Reddit by downloading an external VPN and using it. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.